Y'all know I was doing this review, right? Concept C notes. I'm C notes. Hit the B-roll.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I'm back from vacation with more fire. This time, this is my shoe. I made this shoe. I'm joking. It's the 10-year anniversary of the New Balance Concept C Notes. My name just happened to be C Notes. And when this sneaker came out 10 years ago, I was unaware, guys. 10 years ago, New Balance wasn't making that mark that they're making this year for the last 3 years. Joe Fresh Goods, everyone's getting into the New Balance bag, so it's only right they bring back a sneaker from 10 years ago and put more light on it. So from what I read, 10 years ago is when the new C-Note $100 bill came out. So Concepts did a kind of New Balance collab around it. And now it's the 10-year anniversary, so it restocked again. I like it, man. I mean, I see where they could have went a little better when it comes to money, currency, but premium materials, guys, very soft. I really like this shoe, man. If you're a big New Balance fan, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know how that release felt 10 years ago. As far as this release, they dropped on Concept last week. I was in my cart, maybe 15 seconds, 2-minute wait, and bong, they here. Shipping was kind of good. So this release not that bad. And I've been talking way too much, man. Let's unbox these.
Unboxing time.
Yes, sir. So even the outside box that Concept ships in comes in a whole bunch of Concepts branded. But when you get through this brown box, yes, sir, Concepts 10-year anniversary on the front panel of the box and on the other side. And you ain't got to be a rocket scientist to know this is shaped after the $100 bill or any kind of U.S. currency. You got the green, the light green, the white. Looks just like a dollar bill. I love presentation. We love presentation over here at Sneaker Notes. And this does not fail. So besides the 10-year anniversary and the Concepts, you have New Balance on the other side with the NB logo, just as you see it in the middle of the, which would be a $100 bill or a dollar here. You flip open the top, it's a very firm flip. Feels like when you buy a new Apple product, that's the flip you get here. Very firm, air pocket protected. You get some words in there. I haven't read it, but I know it says New Balance, Concepts, whole bunch of things there. You guys can read that, pause it on your leisure. After you get through all that, you got the Concepts New Balance tissue paper and that nice dollar bill colorway. Whole bunch of shoestrings I'm seeing in here. And we're going to start with the right shoe. So here's a 360 view of the new 10-year anniversary New Balance Concepts C Notes. Yes, sir. So off the bat, you have this big word here that reads absorb, but with a Z instead of an S. And that is the material or the technology used in this New Balance silhouette. As you can see it there. Absorb. Also on top of that, you see the Concepts logo or the wording there. There's a lot of branding in this sneaker. That just happened to be one. If you look at the material though, guys, it looks like a teddy bear, man. Soft, brown. That material's dope. The Concepts logo or what wording is like, you cannot feel it. It's not touched, so it must be blended inside here. Let's Start with the toe box, and this is one New Balance toe box that's familiar. It's not one of those that like the regular wouldn't know. There go your New Balance tag there. But this toe box is really screams New Balance. You know, the Velcro mesh looking reflective toe box. Even though it is cut off a little bit with some more silver materials, you know this toe box. As far as the material here, more nubuck suede, light. I mean, you're going to need the Crep Protect spray on this one, man. But very soft material, but very light. Very dangerous to dirt, guys, but I love the material. And just the colorway, man, is too light for my liking. Same color you get on the around the toes, you get on the tongue itself. The New Balance 998, made in USA, New Balance logo. No Concept logo on the tongue. Even the back has the same New Balance look. Nice soft material here. It comes in the white shoelaces. A lot of tissue paper. It comes dressed in the white shoelaces, guys. With we'll get into all the other ones they give you. It would definitely be a trade-off for me from the white. I like this blue here. If you know, the C-Note that came out 10 years ago had blue in it, so that's why they incorporated the blue there. So it looks just like 10 years ago, guys. Both sides have that blue tab there. In the inside, you get more of a gray coming after that blue to like an off-white sail, pale yellow. More blue creeps in at the bottom there, right by the Absorb technology. And that's on both sides. They also incorporate this little bit of brown here. More gray on the eyelids of the shoelaces. And that's basically the right shoe. The inside is gray also with a New Balance logo. And if you want to see more of that Absorb technology, you get it all at the bottom there. Very soft, man. New Balance 998 logo there. And as I told you guys, you have more colorways to choose from. You have like a, I want to say army green. Then you have like a, this is a funny color. It may be gray, but depending on how you look at it, it looks like that lightness color in $1. And then sometimes it looks white. But I'm going to go with like a bluish gray there, guys. Let me know in the comment section below. But I feel like any one of these is a substitute better than the white that it comes in. Here's the left shoe here. The small N New Balance logo. It doesn't look like a reflect, guys, but it does look like a premium white leather. But they all known to reflect. So maybe the back canvas of this reflects, but it doesn't look like it here. There go your Concepts logo again. So nothing really changed from right to left, guys. Same materials, same branding. Nothing changed from right to left, guys. Yeah, side by side, guys. Nothing's changed from right to left. And it looks just like 10 years ago, which is hard to do. It's remarkable. Yes, sir. So this is a quick review of the New Balance Concept C-Notes. It's always weird saying C-Notes because I don't really say my name a lot. But it looks just like 10 years ago. Materials is A1. Quality's great, guys. Far as the resale market, I think I paid $225. That's with tax and shipping. Might have been closer to $240. Taxes and shipping from Concepts. Right now, you can get them on StockX for about that. Maybe less. GOAT, same price. Anywhere between like $200 to $230, the sneakers gettable. I feel like it's going to be like that for a while because it's a New Balance. I know it's hard to say, but not only is it a New Balance, like, sneaker market is a little on a decline. Those ones, they're going to be up there. But like Jordan 1 Satins, I secured those to their finish line. Those are at retail right now. They didn't even drop yet. But you do got an SB Dunk that I'm going to give y'all in a couple of days. That price is crazy. So if that sneaker's a grail, it's going up. But regular sneakers are having a hard time selling out and going past that resale mark that these resellers like. Me personally, I like the shoe. It's called the C-Note. I'm a C-Note. It's definitely going to stay in the collection. The box alone is super dope. But if you really want the sneaker, I say get it now, because if you look at the ones from 10 years ago, price definitely went up, right? So if you like the shoe, I say get it now. If you're curious about it, I say get it now. Don't wait. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.